Hello everyone, welcome to Latin Study Point. The আজি আমি ক্লাছ 9 social scienceৰ geography part chapter 4 geography of Assam সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ 1 পৰা 10 লৈকে question answer লৈ আনিছো। তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো যে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। The number 1, what are the physiographic division of Assam? The A, Brahmaputra Valley, B, Barak Valley, C, Karbi Plateau, D, Boreal and Southern Hill. Question number 2. What are the physiographic region of the Brahmaputra Valley? The entire Brahmaputra Valley may be divided into 4 distinct physiographic units from north to south: the northern foothills, the north and south bank plain, the floodplain and charland, and the southern foothill. Number 3. Write 4 names each of the north bank and south bank tributary of the Brahmaputra River. The Brahmaputra River has an average length of 640 km and consists of large number of tributaries. The 4 north bank tributaries of Brahmaputra are Subansiri, Ranganodi, Buroi and Jiabharali. The 4 south bank tributaries are Buri Dihing, Disang, Dikhau and Jaji. Question number 4. Give a brief description of the Brahmaputra Plain region. The Brahmaputra Plain is an extensive alluvial plain formed by the sedimentation of the Brahmaputra River and its tributary. It extends from Sodia in the east to Dhubari in the west. The plain is very fertile and support agriculture, especially paddy cultivation. The region is densely populated and house important cities like Guwahati, Dibrugarh and Tezpur. It is also frequently affected by flood and erosion due to the dynamic nature of the river. Number 5. Give a brief description of the floodplain region of the Brahmaputra. The area which is in between the north bank and south bank plain are drained by frequent floods caused by the Brahmaputra River is known as the floodplain of the Brahmaputra. The floodplain includes the charlands developed on the bed of the Brahmaputra. The floodplain is wide in all places. Its width decreases because of the hillock at some places and the leaves along the bank of the Brahmaputra River. Most of the wetland and swamp are found in the districts of Dhemaji and Barpeta. The confluence area of Buri Dihing, Dihang, Dhansiri, Kolong, Kopili and Kulsi River. 6. Write about the geographic location and origin of Majuli. Majuli River Island is located within the Brahmaputra River. It is known as one of the biggest river islands in the world. The shape, size and location of sandbar like Majuli change due to ongoing erosional, transportation and depositional activity of the river as well as the impact of flood. Number 7. Write briefly about the boundaries and characteristics of the Barak Valley. The Barak Valley lie in the southern part of Assam and comprise the district of Kasar, Karimganj and Hailakandi. It is bounded by the Meghalaya Plateau in the north, Manipur Hill in the east and Mizoram Hill in the south. The region is formed by the Barak River and its tributary and consists mainly of alluvial plain. It has fertile land, dense population and receives heavy rainfall, making it agriculturally productive. Number 8. Write briefly about the boundaries and characteristics of the Karbi Plateau. Karbi Plateau was originally a part of the Meghalaya Plateau. The Kopili Valley has divided the Karbi Plateau into 2 parts, the eastern part and the western part. The eastern part, covered by the Rangma Hills, covered the whole Difu and Bokazan subdivision of Karbi Anglong district and is twice the size of the western part. The western part covers the Hamreng sub-district of the district and has the average height of 900. It slopes from southwest to northeast. The rivers like Kopili and Borapani and their tributaries have found the western part of the Karbi Plateau. Question number 9. Write briefly the characteristics of the Boreal Range and Southern Hill. The part of the Boreal Range extending westward from Nagaland span over the North Kasar Hill district of Assam. The Boreal Range connect the Naga Hill in the east with the Meghalaya Plateau in the west. This range divides the North Kasar Hill region into two parts, a north sloping part that fall within the Brahmaputra Valley and a south sloping part that fall within the Barak Valley. The north sloping part is relatively lower than the south sloping part. Question number 10. What is the type of Assam's climate? Write briefly about its characteristics. Assam lie under the subtropical monsoon climate and experience heavy rainfall during summer. In winter, the climate is dry. The temperature always humid and low. The state has different climate in different areas due to the differences in geographical location, topography, water area of the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, and prevalence of southwest monsoon. The climate of Asia is influenced by the monsoon wind also. Seasonal variation changing air pressure of the northwest India landmass, the local wind like mountain wind, valley wind, river wetland influence the climate of the state. তো বাকি এনসার্সবোৰ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত লৈ আনিম ধন্যবাদ।